Guys, just how much weight you got in there?
Maybe 50 kilo.
50 kilo. I don't. How much is 50 kilo?
Couple bucks, like 40, 50 pounds.
2,000, 3,000 pounds. You got in pounds. I don't know what kilo is.
Maybe 40, 50 pounds.
Oh, that ain't nothing.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, that's it?
Yeah,
That's all you got?
Yeah, a couple bucks.
Okay. All right. Well, we're leaning. She's a leaner. Oh no, honey, you don't park there. That's not going to work. You can't park there. Oh yeah, she's a leaner there, bud. Yeah, she's definitely a leaner. Well, let's have a little fun. Get him out. All right. Seems pretty simple enough. I see the truck still running. Sounds good. Let's get you out of there, buddy. Woo! All right. Let me get to work, guys. All right, release your brakes. Yep. Push them in. Push them in. Are they good? Okay. What you want to do is short pulls so she comes out. You don't want to make long runs. Just want to do short runs. Hopefully a truck don't decide to hit me. We're gonna get him up out on the road here. All right, set your brakes. There you go. And that is how you pull a leaner out of there. Hit it from the low side, baby. Hit it from the low side. Come here. Job well done. Deuces.